change the world, I know it's true.
Hi guys, it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I have the corresponding makeup tutorial to go along with the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxing that I just filmed, a Glow For It. So this is the Glow For It makeup tutorial using the products that were in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Glow For It. Basically, it's just a tutorial that utilizes the products that were in the box based around that theme. So I created this Glow For It makeup look. If you want more information, just go ahead and check out the unboxing that I just filmed to see how these videos typically go. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I love editing these videos. I love putting them together and just seeing how the look kind of transforms. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll have the link down in the description if you're interested in subscribing to Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into this video. Before we start this tutorial, I just want to say that I really hope this is in focus. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time getting this video to focus. So obviously, if you're seeing this video, that means that I'm happy with it and it worked. But I really hope I don't have to refilm this, because that would just be a bummer, because it's like a first impressions tutorial, but using the products from that box, so it'd be as genuine if I had to refilm it. I'm pre-filming a ton, even though I'm most likely probably out of quarantine by now by the time you're seeing this video, or it's at least semi out of quarantine. My hair right now, pre-filming a ton, so even though you're seeing this in June, I don't know. You may have already seen videos when my hair is shorter. I don't really know. Anyways, let's go ahead and start this tutorial. So my face feels a little bit oily today. If you've been around for any length of time, I used to have super dry skin, and then like only dry skin. In the past few years, my skin my skin type has changed, which I never knew that it could change. I am using my It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better primer, and it's oil-free, and it's the makeup gripping base, and it claims to be a pore refiner and hydrator. So we're gonna use that to prime my makeup instead of my face primer, because I just feel like this works best when I'm oily. And of course, I will let you guys know when I use a product that was in the Glow For It Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box.
In your eyes, a million skies painted pink and blue and white.
Then for foundation, I'm actually going to be using my CC cream, and this is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC cream, and this has SPF 50, and also I feel like it goes really well with this primer, of course, because they're by the same company, of course, but I just feel like they do go really well together and make my skin just boost my confidence once I put this on.
So don't stop now, you're getting so close, and don't stop now, you're further than most. Yeah, hear me out, I think you should know that, you got that glow.
So as you guys know, my acne has been really good the past few months, but today I just feel like I'm breaking out of it. I need to blend this more. Today I just feel like I'm breaking out of it. I am going to use concealer. I don't always use concealer just because I feel like this has such good coverage. I feel like I just don't need it all the time, but most days, I feel like this is not blending tonight. Most days I do when I wear makeup. There are some days that I don't, but tonight I do need it. The concealer that I have been loving still is by Morphe, and I can never remember the full name of this concealer, but I'll have it on the screen, of course. This is a really great concealer. I just feel like it's very high coverage, and I like the way that it feels on my skin, and it's the right shade for me, which I'm surprised about because I did receive this in an Ipsy bag, so you never really know, but the shade does work perfectly for me, and I'm in the shade C1.55.
Can't stop this flow.
If you're new to these kind of videos of the corresponding makeup tutorials with the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes, the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes don't include like the core makeup products that involve like different shades, so they don't include like foundation, concealer, powder, all of that stuff. So I don't get to the products that were included in the box until more towards the end, just because those are the kind of products that are included in the box. So that's why you haven't heard me reference any of the products from the box yet. Moving on to powder, we're going to use the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. You guys know I accidentally bought another one because I thought I lost it like forever ago, so I'm still trying to use this up, but I really do love this powder.
And know when life gets hard, I'll pick you up when you fall apart. If they curse your name, spit in your face.
It's really bothering me because my skin looks so orangey and dark in this video. I have no idea why. I think it's the lighting because I literally have my mirror right next to me and my skin looks completely normal. I apologize because that is really bothering me, and I'm sure you guys are like, what is up with her skin? I don't know, hopefully the lighting will change. I'm filming this at night because things have been a little bit crazy at this time that I'm filming this, so I've only had time to film at night lately. That's why I look a little bit orangey, I think. I'm not really sure what the issue is, but it's really bothering me because I feel like it's messing up the look. Next, I'm going to prime my eyes for eyeshadow using the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base Eyeshadow Primer. This is a product you guys know I am so close to using up, and I'm doing my darndest to use it up. I've been using this forever. Like I said, I'm filming these videos a little bit out of order that you'll be seeing them because I'm pre-filming. By now, I may have already most likely used it up. But I really do love this primer, and I've used it forever.
The tears sweeten the taste. So keep on pushing up.
Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I use the shade Soft Brown. I promise we'll be getting into the products that were in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Glow For It box very soon.
Yeah, you are building up your wheel, and when you make it, don't stop there, 'cause you can go near anywhere that can't stop there.
Now I'm going to use the Kokie Professional Brow Mascara Clear Brow Gel and just use this to let my brows stay in place. I really do love this brow gel. Highly recommend it. I'm almost out. It's such a bummer, but it is a really great brow gel. I just feel like my brows are looking good tonight. I don't remember last time I filled in my eyebrows this good. They're looking fine. I like them. Now I'm going to bronze my face using the Bahama Mama bronzer by The Balm, yet another product that I just can't seem to get rid of. I really do love it, but sometimes it's like you're ready to try something new, and I'm just trying so hard to use up the makeup that I have, and that means sticking out products that just don't seem to go away and just keep using them anyways because you gotta use them up.
Can't stop the sunrise, yeah.
Now that I have most of the core face products done, finally getting into products that were in the Sweet Sparkle Glow For It box. So that means next I'm going to use this highlighter, and this is the JCat Beauty Aurora Glow Liquid Highlight in the shade White Goddess. I'll be honest, I don't use liquid highlight ever. I prefer a powder highlight, but that's what I love about Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, is it makes me branch out and try products that I wouldn't otherwise, or products that I would normally steer away from. Who knows, this could become my new favorite highlight. So I love highlight. I tend to steer away from it in the winter and fall. Don't wear it a lot during those times, but in the spring and summer, I do love me a good highlight. This is what I'm going to use that was included in the Glow For It box. And then I was trying to figure out the best way to apply it, so it has this dropper. I'll show you now, because once I get started, I won't be able to stop and do that. So it has like this dropper with this little ball on the end, and so I'm going to apply it to my face and then use this sponge to blend it onto my cheekbones. So we'll see how that works. Like I said, I don't work with liquid highlight a lot, so this could be a really great thing, or it could be an epic fail. Who knows? But that's part of this purpose of this video. So let's give it a go. You can definitely tell I have on my nose. I think I used a little bit too much on my nose. On the sides of my face, like, I feel like it kind of like dripped down after I blended it, which I feel kind of weird about. I don't know. I'm just afraid to use too much. I guess I feel like it's pretty glowy. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. This is definitely not the best liquid highlight I've ever tried, but again, maybe I need to work with it more. That is a total possibility. I don't know. It's not my favorite, but again, that's part of this tutorial. Trying new products, or new products to me that I would normally steer away from, and completing the tutorial to go along with it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I just feel like it's, for me, it's once I get the eyeshadow, the mascara, and the lip color. Basically, everything that's left kind of ties everything in. Maybe I just need to give it time. Next, I'm going to use another product that was in the Sweet Sparkle Glow For It box, and this is by Cosmakery, and this is the Ethereal. You guys know I went through this dilemma in the unboxing. It is just this 9 Well Deep Deposit eyeshadow palette. I'm super excited to use this palette. You'll see that it is swatched already because I did watch it in the unboxing. If you missed that, be sure to check it out if you'd like to see more swatches of this palette. We're gonna go ahead and do the eye look now. Well, of course I am. What I meant was I'm going to explain what shadows I use afterwards, because I don't want to just sit here and be like, well, what shadows should I use? So I'm just gonna do the look and see what I come up with, and then I'll explain afterwards.
You can do, change the world, I know it's true. Oh, oh. In your eyes, a million skies, painted pink and blue and white. Oh, oh.
I absolutely love how these shadows blend, and I think that they're really pigmented. Hopefully when I'm color grading this video that it makes the shadows look less orange. I mean, they're definitely more warm toned, but not to the extent that it is appearing as on camera. But I will go ahead and talk about what shadows I used. I basically went diagonal, so downwards this way. So I used these 3 shadows. I'll highlight which ones I used. I really like that, and then I also used a little bit of this color on the side right here too. I just love how these shadows blend together. I just do like a simple crease. I don't do anything fancy. I just wish that on camera it didn't look so orangey. If you go to my last video, you can see that it actually doesn't look like that in person, because I did do swatches of most of the shadows in that video. So definitely go check that out if you want a better interpretation of this palette. Next for mascara, this is actually mascara primer, because if you've been around for any length of time, you pretty much know that I don't have eyelashes that curl. I mean, I have eyelashes, but describe them as very short and stubby, and they grow straight down. They do not curl with any type of eyelash curler. I have just never been able to get them to curl, and some lashes just don't curl, and unfortunately I have not been given that ability. Mascara primer is a must for me. I used the Benefit Cosmetics Their Real Tinted Primer for years. It is my favorite mascara primer that I've ever tried, but I used a couple of those up and just wanted to try something new since I've used it for so many years. I definitely will be going back to it, but I thought it was time for a change, because mascara primer is not something that you really receive in subscription boxes or anything like that. So I purchased the L'Oreal Luminous primer, and I've heard a lot of great things about this. Just so you know, it does come out white. It's supposed to look like that. So that's just what the L'Oreal primer looks like. So I'm excited to give this a try, and then I'll show you the mascara that I'm going to use. And the mascara itself, the like normal mascara I guess that I'm going to use, was included in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Glow For It box. So let's go ahead and give this a try. So far, I don't really know what to think yet, because I think I won't really know until I put the mascara on. So far, I still like the Benefit Cosmetic one better, but I don't know. Let's go ahead and put the mascara on for the true test. This is the mascara that was included in the Glow For It box, and this is by the brand Starlooks, and this is the Volume Mascara. I've never tried this mascara, so I don't have any expectations, high or low. I don't use a ton of Starlooks products anymore, but I have tried a lot of their products, and they are really good, so we'll see how this performs with the primer. I don't think it was very smart to use 2 brand new products that I've never used before at the same time, especially in a tutorial like this, because so far I'm not impressed with either of these products. Obviously this one was not included in the Sweet Sparkle beauty box, but I got it for this video because I ran out of primer. When I do a tutorial, like, I have to use primer because otherwise you can't tell I have mascara on. This mascara I am just not impressed with at all, really. Don't think it makes my lashes look like anything special. I'm just kind of bummed. I think maybe it's because I'm used to my Benefit primer, maybe. I don't know. I think also this mascara might be a little bit old because I am behind on these videos. These are from 2019. That could be a possibility. It seems fresh because I hadn't opened it yet. I don't know. Maybe this is just not the best mascara if you have short, stubby lashes like me. I don't know. Those are just my honest opinions. But I'll keep you posted on if I use them again, or maybe you'll see them in a favorites video or products I regret. I don't really know. It's crazy to think we're on the last product of this Glow For It makeup tutorial using the product that are in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, Glow For It box, and this is by the brand Perry's, and this is the Ink Velvet Lip Color. This is in the shade Charming Coral, I believe. Charming Coral. The lip color is what usually ties everything together, and when I swatched this product, I was really, really, really impressed. How Sweet Sparkle does it every single time, but they always tie in the perfect lip color with the eyeshadow based on the theme. They literally always pick the best product for the theme. I don't know how they do it, but it's literally on point every time. So this is the completed look for the Glow For It makeup tutorial based on the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Glow For It. You guys enjoyed watching this video. Like I said, really enjoy editing these and putting it together. I'm excited for the next one. Of course, I'll have other videos up before then. Be sure to check out Sweet Sparkle if you have not already. I've done so many of these videos. You guys know they're just a classic FunsizedStyle video. So I don't really know what else to say, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this Glow For It makeup tutorial. I am really impressed with how the look turned out, and just am blown away by how they choose the products every single time. I'll catch you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!